Nigeria's First Lady, Remi Tinubu, has been in Kaduna on a two-day working visit to empower women, support healthcare workers, and launch a major health campaign. The First Lady arrives at Murtala Square, the venue of the event, where thousands of health workers are gathered for the launch of the Free to Shine campaign for Northwest region.
To complement the Free to Shine campaign, I've also decided to advocate for the triple elimination of HIV/AIDS, syphilis, and hepatitis by 2030. The campaign will cover the 6 geopolitical zones of the nation. We launched the maiden campaign for the North Central Zone in Kwara State. And today, we are flagging off the campaign in Kaduna State for the Northwest Zone. By the grace of God, the next zone to benefit will be the South-South.
According to her, engagement must be deepened with traditional and faith-based institutions to address cultural and religious influences on HIV prevention behaviors. She further laments the high burden of HIV/AIDS in Nigeria.
According to the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, in 2024, there were over 100,000 children and nearly 2 million adults living with HIV. Also, it is reported that most infants born to HIV-positive mothers are not tested within the first 2 months of birth.
Speaking at the event, Governor Obasanjo advised both state and federal governments to refine and strengthen their policies on HIV/AIDS, hepatitis, and syphilis.
The Kaduna State government will continue to partner with the Organization of African First Ladies to devise and implement strategies to eliminate HIV/AIDS, syphilis, and hepatitis. At this juncture, I would like to pay a special tribute to our First Lady, the mother of the nation. And I want to say here that history will surely bear witness that when Africa was at the crossroads, you step forward to fill a major gap.
The First Lady had previously, at the same venue, flagged off the distribution of 10,000 professional kits to midwives across the Northwest states. The kits, including scrubs and crocs, were donated by an anonymous global benefactor.
This event is to complement the ongoing federal government retraining exercise for 120,000 frontline health workers nationwide. The Renewed Hope Initiative procured 60,000 branded scrubs and 60,000 pairs of crocs as an incentive to encourage and support our tireless dedication of our midwives.
Crashing maternal mortality is a key priority within the context of the Renewed Hope agenda. But to be able to do that, the primary healthcare system has to function. That is why His Excellency approved several channels of resources, including the $1 billion HOPE program for all the 36 states of the Federation.
Senator Tinubu also allocated a 50 million naira grant to support 1,000 women petty traders in Kaduna State. Through the Renewed Hope Initiative, each beneficiary will receive 50,000 naira to enhance their businesses. Nisi Gabriel, Arise News, Kaduna.